Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert delta symbol in Microsoft Word document. So there are some methods you can try. First one, click on insert symbol, more symbols, font select Arial, now find out this character code 03B4 and click on insert. So this way you can insert this delta symbol. Shortcut key 03B4 following by Alt plus X. So second method using shortcut type 03B4 and Alt plus X. If you see this once we press space bar, it's a change. So make it one time this back. Same 03B4 and Alt plus X. So this two method, and also guys, once you find insert an equation, so here you will see this delta symbol. Select it. Another way, insert equation, type here delta and space. So these are methods guys you can try to insert this delta symbol in your Word document. Thanks for watching.